Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to check your Lebara internet balance. So let's get started. First, make sure your Lebara SIM is active and inserted into your phone. Next, open the Play Store or App Store, then download the My Lebara app. Once installed, open the app. It will automatically detect your SIM and show your data balance right on the home screen. You can also manage your plan, tap app, or turn on auto tap app directly through the app. And that's it. That's how you check your Lebara internet balance quickly and easily. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.